right, welcome back to Weaving with Ambrosia. So we are working on some Spanish lace. You can kind of see the design right here. I'm just doing some simple passes, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So we've got our first pass through this, which I did in the down shed, which connects it to the purple. I'm going to show you how that works. So first you go into the up shed, and I'm going to go ahead and push through, and I'm only picking up these 4 yellow threads, and I'm kind of pushing in. Sometimes this is a little bit easier with a tapestry needle, or if you don't have your spool in a boat already. I forgot to leave my spool out of the boat for this, but it's okay. So I'm adjusting these fibers to where I want them to sit, and that's going to be where they stay. And with Spanish lace, you can do a mixture. You can go through more threads sometimes, less threads others, and you can build certain columns up higher. You can pack it down a little bit more if you want. That's up to you. I'm just doing a very basic one because this is going to be at the end of my woven dress. So I just want something very delicate and nice. So with my second pass through, my third pass through, I'm actually going to pick up these purple threads also. I'm in the down shed, so I pick up the 4 purple along with the 4 yellow. Pass through, and I pull and adjust. So I've got the top of this one where I want it in the yellow. I'm actually going to adjust this thread down in the purple because I want it at a more of an angle. There you go. I want it more of an angle, so I've pushed it and manipulated it down right there. So that's the first pass through the purple, up shed. And I'm going to do the second pass just through the purple itself. And that's going to latch on. And again, I'm going to push it down to where I want it because I don't want it quite as high as the last shed over there. There we go. Now into the down shed again. And with this third pass, I'm going to go through the purple and pick up the 4 yellow on the other end and drive through. And then go ahead and pull that to where I want it. Nice and steady. Now this is kind of going to give it a little bit of a spiral or an S shape, which I think will be absolutely beautiful. Now you can do this just one row all the way across, or you can build up and do multiple layers. I'm thinking I'm just going to do the 1 row across. We'll see once I get to the end how I feel. So this is a close-up look of it on the project. I just manipulate where I'm not happy with it, just a little bit more by hand, kind of just pushing it, adjusting it, giving a little pulls here and there, kind of rubbing it into place how I want it to look. So that is just small adjustments until I am satisfied with its appearance. And right now, I really like it. I think it's a very delicate, lacy look. And I think it will add a nice little touch to the bottom of a dress to make it seem a little bit more fancy for trying to do it the most simple dress possible. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.